Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to apply for the GitHub Student Developer Pack so you can get professional coding tools for free. This is a massive win for students who want to use expensive software without the high costs, so let's get right to it. First, you need a GitHub account. If you do not have one, head over to the GitHub website and sign up for a free account. Once you are logged in, visit the GitHub Education page at education.github.com/pack and click the Get Your Pack button. Next, you need to verify your student status. Click the button that says, "Yes, I am a student." You'll be asked to enter your name and provide proof that you are currently enrolled. The best way to do this is to upload a clear photo of your school ID card. You can simply drag and drop the file into the upload box on the application page. Then fill in your school details. Enter the official name of your college or school and your expected graduation year. GitHub also asks for a brief reason why you want the pack, so just explain how you plan to use these tools for your learning or projects. Once everything looks good, hit the Submit Request button. Finally, keep an eye on your inbox. GitHub will review your application and send you an email once you've been approved. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. Once you're in, you'll have free access to dozens of premium tools, including cloud hosting, design software, and specialized developer environments. And that is it. Your student developer journey is officially powered up. If this quick guide helped you unlock these benefits today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.